Hi, I'm Peter and I want to tell you about the Microbit microcontroller. If you want to learn how to code microcontrollers or just code in general, this is the place to start. It has a ton of resources online. If you have a computer that can run a web browser, then you can code this microcontroller. If you go to Microsoft MakeCode, you can start learning how to program using code blocks. It is a simple visual way to start learning the concepts of coding, and you can make real fun projects using it. For more advanced users, you can use JavaScript or Python to code the Microbit as well. This microcontroller has a ton of features packed in. It has a speaker, it has a microphone, it has Bluetooth, USB connector, it has a battery connector so you can take your projects on the go. On the back, you have a touch sensitive button, you have a couple of regular buttons, a 25 LED display, and a ton of input-output connections that you can connect sensors to and other things that you can interact with the physical world with. And you're not just getting the Microbit board, you're getting the Go bundle. Inside the Go bundle, you have the Microbit version 2 board. You have a battery holder that holds 2 AAA batteries. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, and it also comes with a USB cable to connect to your computer to download code onto your Microbit. And they're available now at store.engineeringwonder.show.